Hi boys and girls, I'm going to share a little recipe with you for slime, and today is the first time I've ever tried it. I've made slime before but not with these ingredients. The ingredients today are 1/4 cup of pudding mix, and I just use some out of the pudding mix here. 1 cup of cornstarch, and 1/3 cup of warm water. So to start, what I'm going to do is I already measured my pudding mix out, 1/4 cup. I'm going to pour it into a bowl. After I put it in the bowl, I'm going to pour in most of my cornstarch. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in here. After I put the cornstarch in, I'm going to add my warm water, and it calls for 1/3 cup of warm water. And then I'm going to stir it until it kind of comes together. I'm going to stir until it gets thick. It appears to be thickening up right now. I'm going to add a little bit more of my cornstarch. It smells good. I use vanilla pudding. It doesn't matter what type of pudding you use. So once you put it all in, you can start forming it and shaping it with your hand. Oh, and it looks like it's going to form good. It's warm because I used warm water. I might add just a small amount of water to see if that'll help mix it together a little bit. And when you're all complete, you're going to have edible slime. So enjoy. Like I said, you need to mix it up for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to get all your ingredients mixed in and have the texture of slime. Have a great day.